in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you once again. And today I am going to show you, you, how to cut a whole chicken. So waste no time and let's get to it. All right, now let's cut this chicken down. All right, first we got our bird here. We didn't already patted it dry. So you're just gonna take your leg right here. Let's do this one so you guys can see. And we're just gonna go inside of it like that until you find that bone. You pop it up right there. See that bone? There we go. And we're just gonna get behind that. Made it look harder than what it was. But there we go. And we're just gonna repeat the process. Let's turn it around with the other side. We're gonna find our bone again. And let's just pop that boy up too. There you go right there. See it? All right, let's just get our knife and get behind that bone. Alrighty. Let's put our pieces right here. So next, we're going to take our wings. Let's turn them over on his back and his stomach. All right. And you're going to feel with your thumb right up in here where the joint is. And let's cut right there. There we go. Go around as such until we get that. And we ain't off of that. There we go. Went a little too far on that one, but that's okay. And like I said again, we're gonna find the joint on this end. There it is right there. Such. And there it is. All right. Now we have our back left and our two breasts. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these bones right here where we cut our wings off, and we're going to find the fat spot right here. This line here, you can see. And let's just cut right there. There we go. And on the other side, here's our fat line. And this kind of your guide for your chicken. So let's get in there. Let's cut it out. All right, and then so far as the back, you can continue to cut. You can get some kitchen shears, or you can just break this boy with your hand, as such. Let's get the little heart out of there. And let's go ahead and give it a cut. There we go. Knife. And here's our bag. Here's our bag. And we're going to put that to the side. You want to make sure you save that later on for stock. So all we have left now is our two chicken breasts. So let's flatten it down and give it a push. Don't slip like I just did. There we go. Give it a good little line. Now we take it over and we push it. There we go. All right. And just go down the middle. 2 chicken breasts. Chicken breast 1. Chicken breast 2. Here's our leg. Our wing. I'm sorry. Here's our wing. Here's the other wing. Here's our leg quarter. Gotta cut that one down. Let's move these to the side. And let's get this leg quarter cut. Alright, and the same with the leg quarter. You just flip it over and find your fat line like we did. And it goes right through. And that's your thigh. And here's your leg. So let's do that one more again. Like I say, find your fat line here. And easy cut right there. And there's our thigh. There's our leg. All right. So we have 2 legs. We have 2 thighs. We have 2 wings. We have 2 breasts and a chicken back. We're gonna save that to make chicken stock. All right, real quick and easy. I kind of struggled with that. My knife is not as sharp as I would like it to be, but there it is. You got yourself a whole chicken cut up with the back for chicken stock. Yeah, there you go. All right, now let's move on to the next step and get to frying this bird up. Also, real quick, you guys, let me show you how I take the bone off of my chicken breast. So what I do is I find the space here in between the skin and the bone, and I just run my knife under it, just like this. Right, and that lifts it up. So I go around the other end. Cut away at the bone. Not at the bone, but under the bone. And that's the bone. And you also can save that for chicken stock as well. And let's not forget our tender. Once you cut the bone out, here's your tender. And all you gotta do is just pull it. And then it comes off. Just like that. That's our tender. So that's a 10-piece instead of an 8-piece. Whole chicken cut. All right.